Hello everyone, welcome to Google Cloud Study Jams 2025, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to complete a lab successfully in Google Cloud Skill Boost. So if you had completed the previous steps correctly, you should have been awarded with 400 Google Cloud Skill Boost credits on your account. So if you come to your account, you should see you should have been awarded with 409 credits in total. 400 for completing the previous lab and 9 credits for sign-in. So it should display it like this. So if this is done, you can then proceed with completing the courses that are there in the Google Cloud Study Jams. So open the email which you had received for enrollment, and if you scroll down, you'll see the campaign syllabus. So just open it. Here you'll see all the 20 courses that you need to complete in order to finish the Google Cloud Study Jams challenge and receive your swags and certificates. So here you can select a course we need and then complete it. So to get started, we'll go with course number 1. Here the basics of Google Cloud Compute. So here you can view your profile. If you scroll down, you can see all the labs in this course. This course has a total of 4 labs in it. So if you need to complete all the 4 labs in order to obtain the course badge. You'll be awarded with this badge. So let's start with the first lab. It says it will take 40 minutes, but you can finish it sooner. So click on Start Lab in order to begin the lab. Click on Launch with 1 credit. So each lab takes a credit. Some labs are free of credit. Some labs require 5 credits. So you need to click Launch with 1 credit. Next, go to Setup and Requirements. It will show you what all you need to do before running the lab. So at first, you need to right-click on Open Google Cloud Console and click Open in Incognito window. So you need to complete all your labs in an incognito window. So going back, so here they're telling you to activate your Cloud Shell. Cloud Shell is a terminal for Google Cloud Console. So just like the command prompt in your Windows, the Cloud Shell will allow you to perform tasks by typing in commands in the Cloud Shell. Instead of using the UI, you can use the Cloud Shell to perform certain tasks. So as per the setup and requirements, you need to activate the Cloud Shell. You'll see the option right here on the top right. Click on it. Click Continue. Click Authorize. And exit the sidebar. So next you'll be met with the terminal. Here you'll be running all the commands that have been provided to you in the lab. So let's go to task 1. So before that, we need to configure our region and zone. This is an important step because some commands will give you a wrong result if you don't configure the region initially. Just copy and paste the commands from this. Next, in task 1, they're telling us to open the Cloud Console navigation menu. You can reduce the size of this. This is the navigation menu. They're telling us to go to VM instances, compute engine, VM instances. Next, we need to create an instance in VM instances. Click on Create Instance. Alright, so you will be met with this window. So for the name, just copy the name from here in this table. You need to enter all the fields here to create the instance. So for region, it's US East 4 and Zone East 4A. US East 4, US East 4A. Next, scroll down. And in the series, they have told you to select E2. E2 is selected by default. And for machine type, you need to select E2 medium. E2 medium. So here we are creating a virtual machine. This lab is teaching us to create a virtual machine, which you can rent from Google Cloud. So next, go to OS and storage. After going to OS and storage, click Change. So here they have given you all the details for the OS of your virtual machine. So the operating system is Debian, version is Debian GNU Linux or 12, which it is selected by default. And the boot disk type, balanced persistent disk, size 10 GB. All of this has been selected by default. So you can just click select. Next, go to data protection. Data protection is the same, no changes needed. Go to networking. Here they have asked you to allow HTTP traffic. Just select the option. Next, once all of it has been selected, just click create. It will take some time to create the virtual machine. So once it has been created, the next step they told us to click on SSH. So this will open an SSH terminal. In the SSH terminal, you need to run the following commands. Click authorize. Just paste the command and click enter. Just like Cloud Console shell. Similarly, copy and run the next commands. Perfect. Now we can check your progress. So you can either check your progress here or here. So in total, we need to get 100 out of 100. Right now, we have completed the first task, so we got a 50 out of 50. Next, they're telling you to run this command in the Cloud Shell. So don't confuse the Cloud Shell with the SSH. Once we're done with the SSH, just exit the SSH and then run the command in the Cloud Shell. So they've also shown you the expected output you need to get. If you're not getting this, just retry the steps again. So perfect, we got the same output. We'll just check our progress. Amazing, we got 100 out of 100. You can run all these lateral commands if you need, just for your understanding. And you can also complete the MCQs. The MCQs won't affect the total score, so it's up to your choice, it's for your understanding. So once we are done with this, just end the lab. Just give a rating and just submit. So after that, click on the next lab, and you should see that the previous lab should have a check mark. That means you have successfully completed the lab. So with this, I hope you learned how to finish a Google Cloud lab, how to start it, and how the credits work. So thank you guys.